How to make a database in SQL. Step 1. The Sham server and SQL Jog need to be installed. In case you don't have them, I leave you the link in the video description. Step 2. The connection must be verified. Must be some lines the next stage. Step 3. The next line must be right. After that, message should be displayed. Step 4. The create database needs to be selected. Step 5. You have to right-click on tables must be selected. Step 6. The table must be named and each data must be assigned. How the images below show it. Step 7. Requires foreign case must be assigned. Step 8. Missing table must be completed. Step 9. To generate the diagram from the database, the next icon must be selected. Step 10. The tables to be shown in the diagram need to be selected. Finally, the diagram has to be generated.